Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by confirming prerequisites, updated iOS and enough battery so settings stay available. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, make sure you're in the Vision section. Once there, look for color filters. This is the first actionable control that turns color off. You're not changing wallpapers or themes, you're activating a system-level filter. Keep your phone unlocked and follow the next step to toggle the filter on and pick Grayscale. Now toggle color filters on. You'll see several presets. Choose Grayscale so colors render as shades of gray. Once selected, adjust any intensity or hue controls to soften the effect, making interface elements easier on your eyes. If you want quick switching, go back to Accessibility and set the accessibility shortcut to color filters so a triple click of the side button toggles Grayscale. This saves time. You can compare color versus Grayscale instantly to confirm visual comfort and functionality. Finish by testing common apps, Home, Messages, and Safari to ensure everything displays in Grayscale. Make sure Night Shift or True Tone is off, since those can alter perception of color and interfere with testing. If Grayscale doesn't appear, restart the iPhone, check for an iOS update, and verify the accessibility shortcut is set to color filters. As a key troubleshooting tip, if profiles or screen time rules exist, remove or adjust them. They can block accessibility changes, so update or restart and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.